Welcome to Dose of Drawings. In this video, I will show you how to draw Sandshrew from Pokemon. At the center of the paper, I'm lightly drawing a rough sketch of a circle for Sandshrew's head and a line in the middle as a guideline. From this point over here, we're going to draw a line slightly going down in a diagonal motion to create the jawline of Sandshrew, and on the other side, we're going to draw another diagonal line connecting it all together to create the shape. Once we got the basic shape for Sandshrew's head, we're going to move on to draw the eyes. Right now I'm drawing a horizontal line as a guideline to make the eyes align to each other. Moving over to the left side over here, we're going to start drawing the eye. To draw the eye, we're going to draw an oval shape, and towards the end on the bottom is going to be a little point. Moving across, we're going to start drawing the right eye. Like we did before, we're going to draw an oval shape, and towards the end is going to be tapered in to create a little point. You can think of the eye as an egg shape. Going back to the left eye right here, we're going to draw the highlight of Sandshew's eye. So at the corner up top, I'm just drawing a small circle and doing the same thing on the right eye. And after that, I'm filling in the eyes with pencil. From here, we're going to draw the detail work of Sandshew's face. We're going to draw a curved line. Starting from the right eye, I'm drawing a curved line going down, and on the left eye, I'm connecting the line together, creating a U shape from each eye. Moving right over here near the eye, we're going to make a curved line going down from the eye to the jaw. After that, I'm going to darken the lines that we drew before for the head shape of Sandshrew. And I'm going to leave a space on top for the ear. This space right here, I'm going to draw a triangle for the ear of Sandshrew. And inside the ear, I'm drawing another small triangle. Moving over to the left side, we're going to do the same thing that we did before for the right ear. We're going to draw another triangle for the left ear and another small triangle inside. Now we're going to draw the detail work for Sandshew's face. I'm going to draw 3 horizontal lines starting from the bottom over here and on top of the eyes and closer to the top of the head. Notice how the lines are not straight, it is slightly curved. Now I'm just going to draw a few lines for Sandshew's head. If I'm going too fast, you can pause the video at any time and draw at your own pace. Alright, we drew Sandshew's head. Now it's time to draw the body. I'm going to draw a rough sketch of an oval shape. Once you're done drawing the body shape for Sandshrew, we're going to draw the left arm right around here. Starting from this point, I'm drawing a line going up and curving the line connecting it to the head. On top of the arm, we're going to draw 3 triangles for the claws of Sandshrew. Once we're done drawing the arm, we're going to draw the detail work inside. I'm going to draw a curved line right here and a line going down. As you can see, I just made this line a little bit darker, and right over here to the left side, we're going to draw the leg of Sandshrew. To draw the leg, what I'm doing right now is drawing a circle connecting it to the body. We're going to draw Sandshrew like he's going to sit down on the floor. Once you're done drawing the circle for the leg, we're going to draw an oval for the foot. And right over here, we're going to draw a curved line for the nail of Sandshrew. Moving over to the leg of Sandshrew, we're just going to draw a small curved line down the middle. Moving right over here, we're going to draw the right arm for Sandshrew. I'm going to draw a small line from the jaw and the letter U for the right arm. And after drawing the letter U, we're going to draw 3 triangles for the claws. Below the right arm, we're going to draw the right leg. So aligning it from here, we're going to draw a line curving it down and curving it up. Right around here, we're going to draw the right foot, and using the left foot as reference, we're going to align it and we're going to draw a teardrop shape for the foot. Looking over at the left foot of Sandshrew, we're going to align it and draw a line for the right foot for the nail. And down the middle, we're going to split it in half and rounding it off at the ends. Right over here, we're going to draw the tail of Sandshrew. We're going to draw a curved line going up, and from this point right here, we're going to curve it back down to the body. I'm going to put the video into a time lapse to draw the rest of the detail work of Sandshrew's body. For the rest of the video, you will see my outlining and coloring Sandshrew. Hey, if you're listening to this right now, that means you reached to the end of the video. I'd like to say thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next drawing of Pokemon.